Hey guys, I want to teach you how to do some live streaming either on YouTube or Facebook or any platform you want. Yes, use Streamyard. You can use Mac or PC, whatever you want to use. I'm using a Mac here, so just so you know, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It's all about live streaming and real easy. Let's get to the video. Hey guys, thanks for tuning into your review channel. So if you ever tried to stream on YouTube and you're not sure how to do it, I'm going to give you a real quick tutorial. This is just for beginners. So if you're trying to learn how to stream, do a live stream real easy. So just go to streamyard.com. It's real simple. All you have to do is register, basically put your email address in, they send you a verification code, you put that code in, and basically you're up and running. That easy. That's step one. So that's simple. Step two is that you want to basically authenticate your channels either on Facebook or YouTube or wherever. So what you want to go to is destinations and then add a destination. And this is how you add your either Facebook or Twitch or YouTube or LinkedIn, whatever you want to do, whatever you want to stream to. That's how you authenticate it. So you go here, you add that to you add your YouTube channel. If you have Periscope, still I'm not sure if there's a thing anymore, but whatever, you can add that. You can do whatever you want. You can do multiple streams at the same time, and that's the beauty of using Streamyard. So you can stream on YouTube, yes, but you can't stream on multiple platforms on YouTube. So it's just for YouTube. This can allow you to do Facebook, YouTube channel, Periscope, Twitch, whatever. So if you're a gaming person or if you want to do a show, whatever. So but this is basic 101. So let's just do YouTube and then you can go from there. So once you get to YouTube, you authenticate it, add your account, and that's pretty much it. So once you do that, you're good to go. Second step is that when you want to go, you just want to open up and go to broadcast, and then whatever you authenticated is right up here. Okay, so you can keep adding. Again, you can add them here as well, same thing. So we're just going to do our YouTube channel. We're going to click on that and we're just going to call this a test. So make that test, and this is also a test, right? And we're just going to go unlisted. So this is just for that. We're going to hit broadcast. So at that point, it starts taking you to the broadcast studio, and you're not broadcasting yet. You're just getting ready. Okay. So let's just, so you're getting ready for that, and your review channel, that's the name of your channel. That's my channel. And then once everything looks good here, you can shut your camera on, camera off. You can adjust you can go into your settings here for your camera. If you have another external camera, if you don't have a built-in camera, audio, we have our Scarlett 2i2 interface connected to that. If you have a green screen, you can do that. Again, keep it real basic. Just make sure your configurations are correct. This is where you find them. So that's easy. Next thing you do is enter broadcast studio. Again, you are not broadcasting yet. Remember that. Top right here is go live. So when you hit that go live button, that's when you start streaming. So you go over here, and so as you can see here, this activates it, and then you can turn on your camera if you want to. You can mute your microphone. You can do everything right here in Streamyard. Here's some settings over here. You can go to that. And also they have a bunch of free things they give you. And let's see, here's some banners. They're kind of cool. Here's a ticker. So you can click that out, check that out. You can add custom banners. You can see here some custom banners, and they have a paid program, a paid one as well. So this is just a free one. It is limited, but it does work, and it gets you streaming quickly and easy. And that's all you have to do for that. So once you get your stream ready, put your camera on, hit go live. That's all you have to do. Hit go live, and now basically within a few seconds, you are streaming on whatever platform you want. Real easy. And if you want to check it and see where it's at, click on this little button up here, okay? View on YouTube. So right now we're streaming on YouTube. Let's click view on YouTube, and you can see, hit that continue, and it should bring up our YouTube channel, and there it is. And now you can see it. Real simple, real easy. All right, guys. So that's how you stream on multiple platforms: YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, Periscope. I don't care what it is. This is how you do it. Real simple and real easy. And then when you're done with your broadcast, you just go back to your broadcast channel here, hit end broadcast, and that is it. And that'll just save it to YouTube. It's automatically just saved because you're broadcasting live. It'll finish it up. It's there in your archives, and then you can do whatever you want, and that's it. And that's simple as that. All right, guys, so I hope you found this informative. I hope you learned how to stream on YouTube. Also, check out my other video about streaming on Facebook. Same thing. Just to give you some more information. If you needed any questions or any comments, leave down below. I do appreciate that as well. It does help me out. Please like this video. That also helps me out quite a bit and helps me grow my channel so I can keep doing these tutorials for you. All right, guys, I appreciate it as always. Any questions or comments, leave down below. I'll also leave a link for Streamyard below as well. So you can see that link. Click on that link, takes you right to the page. Then you can sign up for there. All right, guys, that's it for me. I appreciate your time as always, and I'll see you at the next review.